Venían ahora.
This week, chaos struck the eastern coast of Spain as a violent hailstorm swept through the city of Valencia, leaving behind dramatic scenes of destruction and disbelief. On Thursday, May 8th, a powerful weather phenomenon known as Dana, an isolated depression at high atmospheric levels, unleashed its fury across the Valencian community. Within minutes, tranquil streets turned into raging rivers of ice. Massive hailstones battered vehicles, rooftops, and windows. Some streets resembled frozen waterfalls as ice and rain gushed through town centers. The Spanish Meteorological Agency, AEMET, issued an orange-level weather alert for the region, warning of intense thunderstorms, torrential rain, and severe hail. The most affected areas included inland towns like Loleria, located in the Val d'Albaida, and Vilar del Arzobispo, in the mountainous Serrania. Residents there reported streets flooded with ice, power outages, and transportation chaos. Further west, in the interior of the province, towns such as Requena Utiel, La Joya de Buñol, and La Costera experienced heavy rainfall and hail that damaged crops and disrupted daily life. In many areas, emergency services were deployed to clear roads and assist stranded residents. What makes this event even more alarming is its intensity and speed. In just a few hours, nature transformed familiar urban landscapes into scenes that seemed more like natural disaster zones. Social media was quickly flooded with dramatic videos of vehicles submerged in icy water and people wading through knee-deep hail. Meteorologists say this type of storm, fueled by unstable air masses and rising temperatures, may become more frequent with ongoing climate change. As the storm system slowly moves across the region, more rain is expected in the coming days. Authorities continue to advise caution, especially in flood-prone areas, and urge residents to stay informed through official weather channels. This storm serves as a stark reminder of how quickly the forces of nature can shift from calm to chaos, and how important it is to stay prepared.